Unlock your online earnings. A step-by-step guide to make money online. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Attraction Avenue, where we bring positivity to success. Today, we've got something exciting in store for you. We're going to show you how to unlock your online earnings with a step-by-step guide on making money online. Keep watching until the end to maximize the benefits of this video. Step 1. Identifying your skills and interests. First things first, let's figure out what you're good at and passionate about. It's all about playing to your strengths. Take some time to identify your skills, passions, and areas of expertise. What do you enjoy doing? What are you knowledgeable about? Step 2. Choosing your money-making method. Now that you've got a clearer picture of your skills and interests, it's time to choose the right method for you. Depending on your skills, you can consider freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, online teaching, and more. The possibilities are endless. Step 3. Creating a plan. Every successful venture starts with a plan. Let's create one that suits your goals and target audience. Outline your objectives, strategies, and projected income. A well-thought-out plan will be your guiding star. Step 4. Building an online presence. To succeed online, you need to be visible. Building an online presence is key. Whether it's a website, blog, or social media, use these platforms to showcase your skills and connect with your audience. Step 5. Marketing your online presence. Marketing is essential to draw people to your online presence. Let's talk about some effective strategies. Use tactics like SEO, content marketing, email marketing, and social media promotion to attract and engage your target audience. Step 6. Networking and collaboration. Don't go it alone. Networking and collaboration can open doors to opportunities you might never have imagined. Connect with others in your industry or niche. Building relationships can lead to partnerships, collaborations, and growth. Step 7. Investing in learning. Continuous learning is a must in the online world. Let's talk about how you can stay competitive. Stay up to date with online courses, books, and tutorials. Knowledge is power in the online game. Step 8. Monetize strategically. Now, let's get to the good part, monetizing your online presence. It's time to turn your passion into profit. Implement strategies like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling digital products, depending on your chosen method. Step 10. Tracking and analysis. Tracking your progress is vital. It helps you see what's working and what needs improvement. Use analytics tools to monitor your income, website traffic, and engagement metrics. Data-driven decisions lead to success. Step 11. Patience and persistence. Remember, success online takes time. Patience and persistence are your best friends. Be persistent, keep learning, and be open to adapting your strategies as you go. You've got this. Step 12. Protecting your online presence. Lastly, let's talk about keeping your online presence safe and secure. Protect your online accounts, website, and personal information. It's crucial to prevent cyber threats and fraud. Finally, there you have it, folks. Our step-by-step guide to making money online. Remember, it's all about identifying your skills, choosing the right method, and staying persistent. So, get out there, and let's start making some online income. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantastic content. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting tips and tricks right here on Attraction Avenue. Until next time, take care. To your success, M. Al Bashir.